Hi everybody, this is Patrick coming at you from Locals Tasting Room in beautiful downtown Geyserville. Hey, we have a new team member online. I thought I'd introduce Leanne.
Hello.
Hey everybody, so Leanne is going to be with us when you come to Locals. You'll see Richard, Carolyn, Patrick, and Leanne. And we're all here to take care of your wine needs for the thirsty, thirsty world out there. So, hey, we're going to try KitFox Winery. Ta-da! KitFox Winery's Treasure Hunter. This is new wine for them. It's the Summer Fling. We've always loved their inventive and wonderful names. Summer Fling is a Vermentino out of the Russian River Valley. What is Vermentino? Vermentino is a wine originally from Sardinia. About half the Vermentino made in the world is made from Sardinia, which is that big island off the coast of central Italy. Also a little bit in Corsica and Genoa and Liguria, that area around Genoa. But this, grown in the Russian River Valley, Summer Fling. We all need one of those sometimes, don't we? So here we are. We're gonna pour this beautiful
Thank you, Patrick.
wine, of course, Leanne. And let's talk about this wine a little bit. Nice color, fresh, bright, just a simple chilled white.
Nice citrus on the nose.
Citrus,
Lime.
okay, lime, all right. Oh,
Lovely.
definitely. Got a little floral dancing around there too, right? Something a little nutty.
It smells refreshing.
All right, well, let's give it a try, folks. No
Nice.
fuss, no muss, just
Light, crisp, lighter bodied, lovely wine, great with fish tacos.
oh, that would be it. That's a great suggestion. Fish tacos near and dear to my heart, especially in this weather. I'm getting a little bit of floral quality. It's almost like a honeysuckle, daffodilish kind of quality. And there's also almost a little bit of marzipan, of all things, dancing around there.
Little almond, yeah.
Little almond?
Yeah.
It's easy peasy.
Umbria, right here in Geyserville.
See, there we go. A lot of fresh, bright, you know, sometimes you just want a white wine that you can knock back, have an easy summer fling. So find it here by Treasure Hunter KitFox Winery at Locals Tasting Room in Geyserville. We look forward to seeing you soon. Leanne will be here. Cheers, Leanne. Thanks for joining the team. We love having you. Salute, everyone.
Salute.